welcome to my channel. My name is Bria Janae. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back. And we're starting off the new vlog. Okay, so today is Monday. It's around like maybe 9 o'clock in the morning. This whole vlog is becoming that girl. Pretty much just like a mini maintenance vlog. Just because, as y'all can see, it's pretty bad. Like literally, yeah, it's pretty bad. But I have a couple things planned. I know today I'm getting my tattoos. I'm so excited because I'm getting some arm work done finally. I'm getting two little things right here and then just my little neck tats that I was supposed to get a while ago. But I'm getting them today. And then I'm also getting my hair done. I'm getting some, I think they're called like goddess braids, which is like a pretty big thing because I haven't had braids in like 2 years. Just because I feel like after a couple weeks, I get tired of them. And y'all know people are charging out the butt for braids. Like, it's terrible. Like, I can't get no braids for under $260. But the girl who's doing my hair today only charged me $85. $85. I can't even get a quick weave for $85. Let alone braids. So yeah, she's doing that later tonight. I'm about to dye my hair because I'm gonna do them black just because my hair, as y'all can see, is kind of growing in black anyways, and I don't feel like re-bleaching and re-dyeing the whole thing constantly. So we're just gonna go back to black and leave my hair alone, y'all. Like, I feel like I'm finally kind of seeing the damage that the dye is doing. So yeah, we're going back to black. So I just left out to pick up my Target order. Let me show you all the Target order outfit. Woke up, brushed my teeth, washed my face, ate, threw on this cardigan, and said, let me go get my order. Alright, so let me show y'all what I got on my order. Most of this pertains to the vlog. Alright, so first thing I got is some almond milk, but like, you know, So then I want to try on some press-ons because I was going to get my nails done, but I was not going to have time. People say the Kiss acrylic ones are good. Usually they get the French tip, but my Target didn't have the French tip. And I think I want to add some bows on them. Maybe I'm tripping, but this, oh, I was about to say, this is only 8 nails. But they have a lot more in the back, and it comes with glue, a little file and stuff. And then I got some espresso. I was out. This is the espresso I use. It's super cheap. It's like $5. And then I'm going to try the hair, skin, and nails gummies. Just because I feel like my nails don't grow. My hair grows, but then it just kind of breaks off because the dye, you know. And then skin also, of course. So we're going to try these out. Take 2 a day, preferably with a meal. So we're going to take 2 now because I just ate. I thought they were gonna be like soft gummies. I mean, they taste good. They taste like Krabby Patties, the candy. Then I got some more of this. I go through a bottle like every 2 weeks. Then I got some hair dye. When I dye my hair jet black, I just grab any random black dye. It doesn't really matter the specific brand or anything. I got 2 boxes just so I can really like deeply coat my hair. Alright, so what we're about to do is we're about to dye my hair, right? Go ahead and dye it. Then we're going to get in the shower. I'm going to shower regular. Wait, no. I'm going to rinse off the dye. Then I'm going to put conditioner and then I'm going to take a regular shower. Then I'm going to get out, blow dry my hair, put it in some braids just so she can, you know. And then I'm going to put on a wig. So cut that off. Put that in that and shake it. It's in Spanish. Oh wait, it's probably English on this side. Okay, yeah. Let me get scissors. Hold up, y'all. Last time I did this, it exploded. So hopefully, not this time. So I just shake it until everything is dissolved. Alright, y'all. So we're about to start the application process. Pretty much all they're saying is put it in your hair and then I leave it on for about 25 to 35 minutes. I always start in the back just because it takes longer. This one looks like it is fully covered. So I'm getting my braids done in the comfort of my own home. Literally perfect, bro. especially like hair. Like I already got to sit in there for 6-something hours. I just want to be able to roll out and go in my bed. Okay guys, so I am finished dyeing my hair. As y'all see, these parts like already developed. This one was the last section I did, so it's still kind of red, but it's gonna develop. It looks like I have everything coated really nicely. This bottle still pretty much full. I'm gonna make sure I get this part good. But yeah, so I'm about to leave this on for about 27 minutes maybe. Alright y'all, so I am done with washing my hair. I actually just washed it in the sink because I am kind of rushing, but like I'm kind of rushing. Well, so my tattoo appointment isn't until 2, right? And he lives 45 minutes away from me. Same dude I always go to, the one that lives with my brother, right? So that appointment isn't until 2, but I want to go to this cafe before it just so I can do some of my college work because I'm going to be working the rest of the week. So I like to go ahead and knock it out. But I want to be there. I wanted to leave the house by 12, but I wanted to leave the house by 11, but it's 10:40 right now. So, you know that 11's not going to work. So I'm about to go ahead and blow dry my hair. Let me put on some heat protectant. Honestly, y'all, I'm thinking about cutting my hair because I just feel like the back's not as damaged as the front, but it's still just like, not as healthy as it should be. So let me blow dry my hair and then I'll get back. Alright y'all, so I have my hair all blow dried. I'm not really sure what kind of braids I want to do because I want it to be like super fast and simple. So I'm going to just do 6 of these, 3 on each side. Just braiding it down, not tight at all because I don't want to pull my hair. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see the hair is like braided down. Not that flat, but like I was saying, I don't need it super flat. The time is 11:23, and we're about to put on this wig. I feel like an old person just slapping on wigs. I think I'm going to do the hair curly, because if it's straight, then you can really see like the shape of my head. So we're going to do curly so you can't really see. Alright y'all, so the wig is on. It's pretty much how it's going to look. I just have to like pull it down, but I kind of pushed it back so I can do my makeup. We're not doing anything special. I'm just about to brush up my eyebrows and then do a little concealer and some blush. So I just do the clear. When I get my braids done, I'm going to start doing my eyebrows like a light brown. Just because I think that will look nice. Like super dark lashes, super dark hair, and then light eyebrows. Blend it. I want to learn how to do like my makeup for real. But like, I wouldn't just go out and wear a full face of makeup. And I only have photo shoots maybe like once a year. Alright, boom. Concealer's on. Super simple. I am going to add a little bit of bronzer. Blush. I do pretty heavy blush just because I feel like this one fades like super quickly, which is fine. All you have to do is just apply more. Super simple, so let's go ahead and get dressed. I got a hair in my eye. While we wait for those to iron, why don't we just go ahead and do my nails? They have like little numbers on them. So this one is a 10. I think I like the 11s more than the 10s. I feel like the problem is with the press-on nails is like the nude is like white people nude. If y'all know, like, it's different nudes that you use. Alright y'all, so I'm done prepping my nails. So all I did was just cut my cuticles a little bit, but not too much. Because like I said, I'm kind of rushing. And then I filed my nails and then I just wiped it off with some alcohol. I still do have a little dye on my nails, but like these nails are kind of thick so you can't see. So I watched a TikTok video. This girl said hers stayed on for a month. Put a lot more on the press on and then just put a little bit on your actual nail. Alright y'all, my nails are done. Let me stop. But I have to paint them, but I don't have time to paint them now, so they just like, ugh. But I mean, I got them on. cute, but they're just so white. Like, I don't know. One's crooked, but that's fine. But anyways, we're about to go ahead and get dressed because it's already 12 something. So the new goal is to leave out the house by 1. Alright, y'all, so I am all ready. As y'all can see, I did keep on the shirt. I still don't really like it, but I don't really have time to change. I'm kind of forcing myself to wear the clothes that I have. So like I said, it's just this button-up white top, but it is asymmetrical. I promise I buttoned it up right. It's just one side is a little longer than the other one. And then these jeans, just super wide leg. I have on my silver tabbies, and they have like a little black bow on them. And then I'm gonna wear this purse. I think it matches good enough. It kind of goes with the theme. I think it looks cute. Yeah, I guess we can go ahead and leave. Alright, y'all, so I just got gas, and I was like low-key exactly right. I paid golly. I paid $58.42, and I am at a full tank. So yeah, pretty much 60 bucks. But right now I'm at the ATM to take out my money for my tattoo. I am getting 4 tattoos plus a little touch-up, so that's gonna be $180, which I still don't think is bad at all. Way less than them shops be charging, so yeah. Alright guys, we got the cash. I just took out exactly $180 because I find like when I take out like a little extra, I like lose it. I don't know why, but last time I was getting my tattoos done, right? I took out $300, right? But I only ended up getting 4 tattoos, and he only charged me $80 because I just got this little small one and then these, right? And I have no idea what happened to the other freaking 200 something. And I was just like, Bria, there's no way.
Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready to work to me. You need to, somebody know you need to get done.
Alright, y'all, so I am at my appointment now. It is exactly 1:54. So like I'm right on time. I have to pee though, so I'm about to go ahead and head in now. So I am finished with my tattoo appointment. I have already left. Okay, let's go over like the little pain thing, right? The wrist. Okay, what did we start? We started with the neck. Didn't really hurt at all, honestly. I was kind of scared because I did kind of get it like in like the ear neck fold type thing. Like y'all saw where I got it. So I was scared. I was like, dang, what if this hurts? Like I didn't look up the pain tolerance like of my neck. But it honestly didn't hurt. Plus, they were so small. It took like 5 seconds and we were done. Okay, getting to the arm. So I did put numbing cream on. Y'all know, like I said, I wasn't going to put numbing cream on just because I didn't have time. But he gave me numbing cream while he was doing the other ones. I didn't know how to tell him that that numbing cream did not work. Like, at all, bro. Oh my goodness, y'all. It hurt so bad. Like I was sitting in, I was trying to like, I got my AirPods and I was scrolling on TikTok and I was just trying to like bite my tongue so I didn't flinch. I flinched on this one, but he said it was fine. But it was terrible. Like I was about to start crying, and then it was super bad because I already had to like pee. Oh my gosh.
I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. I'm a soldier. No one could understand. I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied.
Hi guys, so it is a couple days later. Sorry I couldn't get back to y'all after I finished my hair, but we did not finish until like 1 something in the morning. So that means I didn't get to go to sleep until way later, and I was just not about to record. I'm so sorry. But anyways, like I said, it's a couple days later, so I can show y'all my hair. Like I said, I just got like, what is it called, like boho. I got the small medium size, and I couldn't find the right hair, so I did this hair, which I think is still cute, and they go to like my butt pretty much. But yeah, I've just been wearing them down because they're really fresh. Eventually I'm gonna change it to a side part. And also from work I did a claw clip, which that looked cute. Oh, and let me show you my tattoos. I did take them out the wrap so y'all can see them. So 2 wrist ones. These are just the retouches. And then these. Oh, and y'all can see my chest ones. I don't know if I showed y'all in the other video how they looked. And then, oh yeah, these. Which I think these are so cute. And I also have an appointment to get like a, I don't know what it's called, but it's going to be something connected to that, just so these don't look so random. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next Monday.